In this video, I'll show you how to boost Facebook and Instagram posts together, step by step. If your Facebook page and Instagram account are connected through Meta, you can promote a post across both platforms from a single campaign. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Open Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager, depending on the tools available for your account. Select the Facebook or Instagram post you want to promote, then tap Boost Post. Choose your campaign goal, such as getting more engagement, website visits, messages, or leads. Next, define your target audience. Set your daily or lifetime budget and choose how long you want the promotion to run. When you reach the Placements or Platforms section, make sure both Facebook and Instagram are selected. Review your ad preview to confirm that it looks good on both platforms. Finally, review your payment method and campaign settings. Then tap Boost Now or Publish to submit your promotion for review. Once approved, you can track your campaign's performance in Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager and make adjustments if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.